2019 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.